Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP511 candy and deep frying thermometer. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one AAA battery, one pot clip, and one TP511 candy and deep frying thermometer. Now let's go over the design and features. It has a super long 8-inch food grade stainless steel probe, an instant read response time within 4 to 8 seconds. It has a smart backlit display which turns red when it reaches the set temperature. It has a pivoting probe design to accommodate different angles. It has an on-off Fahrenheit Celsius button. It has a backlight for usage in low light conditions. It has a calibration function if it ever needs to be recalibrated. It has a preset temperature function. It has an IPX5 waterproof rating, an auto shutoff function to conserve battery, and lastly, a candy temperature chart to use for reference. Now let's go over how to set a custom temperature setting. Simply press the down or up arrow buttons to enter the set temperature mode, and then use the buttons to adjust the set temperature, and then press set to confirm it. Now let's go over the calibration feature. Fill a cup with 70% ice cubes and top it off with cold water, and let it rest for a few minutes. Press and hold the set button for 5 seconds to enter the calibration mode. Cal will appear on the display. Wait until it reaches the lowest value, which should be around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Then press and hold the set button for 3 seconds to confirm the calibration and exit the calibration mode. You are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP511 candy and deep frying thermometer.